Not good at 30, I'm gonna be honest. We're gonna go retrieve our arrows. I gotta go find two of mine that hit the dirt. We'll see. Alright, we're back at it at 30. I think I'm going to make an adjustment to my sight and just not use it completely. So, keep your fingers crossed. I won't say we got better at all, but let's check this out. Alright, we're done out here. Adjustments need to be made, to say nonetheless, but we're going to make them. We have time. Grandpa, on the other hand, I mean, he's a surgeon with that crossbow, so he'll be alright. Me, adjustments need to be made, but we'll make them. We'll be ready. That's all we can do, so we'll see you next time.